241 today, right here, right now. And ladies and gentlemen, the Vice President of our
Good morning! Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Madayaw, mayong adlaw, ninyong tanan. Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Sa iyo ba? Ano rin? Kaya mo, diba? Naghindi mo nag-a-attend ng fun run. Pero tungkol kay naamon din yung tanan, naapod ko din.
Sindari lang si likod na na. Surprise.
Basta Pilipina, ma'am. Guwapa yun na. Ang Pilipina din nga nagtindog. Guwapa na. Sa pananaw sa tibuok kalibutan. For after all, sa Miss Universe, pila ka buo ng ato ang winners. Four. We have 4 winners sa Miss Universe. So, undoubtedly, the beauty of the Filipina is global. Mubuon na lang nako ni kayong saka na ang adlaw. Mga daot ang inyong mga kutis. Yes, so, after mo, mag-jogging sa kabalo mo sa kasayuning inyong event. Unang-una, wala naman naligo. Para nag-brush ko ha. Nag-brush ko. Wala naman naligo. Nanimaho pa kong efficacy ikan sa masahe kanyang biik. Tapos, isa lang kabuok medyas ang ako ang nabira. Ingana ka sa iyo ang inyong event. First off, I'd like to thank the organizers, on any Sunday Riders, and to our partners, the Orangutri Triathlon Team. Congratulations sa inyong tanan mga organizers for keeping the spirit of bringing former President Rodrigo Duterte back home in the Philippines safely. Keeping the spirit alive. Thank you very much. And of course, I would like to thank the participants to this fun run. You are supporting Field of Dreams Davao and Bantay Hayop Davao. Maraming salamat. Tungod kaninyo, masuportahan nato ang mga non-government organizations na nagasuporta sa mga hayop o mga kabatan-unang lalaki. The fact that you chose to spend your Sunday morning on the Davao Coastal Road is not just for the thrill of the ride, but for something bigger. And we are truly grateful. On behalf of the family, we thank you as well for your prayers and your continued support to former President Rodrigo Duterte. Naghanan ng utalang kabi'i, kung tinuod ba itong nakita siyang unconscious sa iyang room, dili ito tinuod o walay nang tabo nga ato. In fact, sa pagtawag, natulog siya at mga panahon na, itawagan siya sa abogado o pangutana siya kung tinuod ba nga nakitaan ka unconscious sa iyong kwarto, yun siya wala. And maybe it was just a prank by many of my supporters. So, dili ito tinuod. And we hope to hear good news for the public hearing on his on the appeal for his interim release on November 28. But if not, we will continue to, the family will continue to support him in his stay in The Hague, in the Netherlands, and of course, continue to work with the defense team with regard to his legal case. So, daghang salamat kaninyong tanan. I hope you enjoy your fun run. And don't forget your sunblock and your hydration, your water. Very important. Mahayong buntag. Shukran.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Vice President of the Republic of the Philippines, Honorable Sarah Zimmerman Duterte. Ayan po. And our Vice President will do the honor of pushing the button for our 3K runners, ladies and gentlemen. How about that? Huh? Meron tayong special treat in this run. Thank you very much, Vice President. Alright, so, we're counting down the last 10 seconds. Here we go. Sabay-sabay po tayong pagbilang. And then our Honorable Vice President will push the button for the starting horn. Let's go! At 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! Enjoy the run!
Kapag nalimutan niyo po,
Itaas ang mga kamay na sa show of love and support for Tatay
Good
D.
morning!
Vice President Sarah.
May Buntag VP! Of course.
Maraming salamat. Maraming salamat. And we are so honored having her around. Yes. It is indeed a special treat for everyone. Gagawin nyo. And even sa mga supporters ko ng mga Duterte coming from the different parts of the country, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Thank you very much. And again, as was mentioned by our dear Vice President, let's keep on praying, hoping, crossing our fingers na makauwi na talaga si Tatay Digonggo sa Pilipinas and especially here sa Luzon ng Davao. We miss him already. Yes. Let's all pray. Tatay Digonggo home, safe and sound sa Davao. Thank you very much po. Ayaw na nila tumakbo. Starstruck. Actually kami din po, starstruck. Kami si Vice That's our dear Vice President po. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Yes.
No problem po, no problem.
That's our Vice President, Sarah Zimmerman Duterte.
Of course, ma'am.
Indeed, it's a special treat for everyone who is here. Diba? Pinasayang yung pagising niyo sa umaga na madaling araw. Yung iba, nabitin yung tulog.
So, hindi na nyo kayo kuminawan ko, dadalong po
And that is showing the support for our dear tatay, Tatay Digo. Yun lang, na-miss nila ang presence ng ating Honorable Vice President.
But still, the gratefulness of Maganda family stands for all the runners, the 5,000 runners who run today.
Yes.
Super Ihan, bring him home.
Wala, di na din sila managan yun. I'm sure you guys are enjoying this time together with our dear Vice President. It's not an everyday thing na lumalabas po siya sa public, okay? Especially on run events like this, no? We've been hosting events, fun runs, but dito lang po sa veteran natin makikita si Vice President po. I'm sure yung iba excited na for the next leg, run 3.
Okay, si VP magkuhan ba? Mag-selfie, no?
Lagi, mas maipal si BP mag-selfie kaysa ko ba? Kaya ako mag-selfie kanina, namurot ko. Namurot ako sa excitement.
Wala din ba live pa? No?
Yes. Dagang salamat sa suporta, ladies and gentlemen. Okay? Try na ko din na ako ang area kung pwede ba na ako. Yan.
Ano guys, si VP nag-ulit sa camera na ito. Ano, mas
Lagi? Dapat ay 5.1. 5.1 na siya. Yan. Pwede ko ba magpaselfie kay BP? Dagang salamat din kayo, BP. Dagang salamat sa iyo ang pagtanggol. Kung nakikita din sa namanagan ba? Sabi nyo kayo si BP mag-selfie, no? May paspas man.
Oh, si